Good morning, guys. So today I am officially starting my trek for Machu Picchu. I'm doing an expedition with a company called Lorenzo Expeditions, and we're going to be cycling, whitewater rafting, and a few other activities. I'm quite excited. I'm going to be taking you guys with me, obviously showing you Machu Picchu and giving you a flavor of Peru. I haven't filmed so far because I've been really ill from my stay in Bolivia. This is the first time I actually pull the camera out and actually show you guys what I've been up to in quite a few days. But I hope you guys enjoy and see you on the road. So in the morning we did mountain biking, which I actually found quite scary, but we did 3 hours mountain biking down the hillside of the Andes, which was absolutely amazing. We got a little bit soaked and I was a little bit scared, but I made it to the end and I loved it. And now we're just in this cute, quiet town where we've had some lunch. Insert clips here, of course. Whitewater rafting, so it's a pretty full-on outdoor adventure day. I'm trying to do this quickly. I think our car is coming.
Look. So this
that's so amazing.
Cool. What happens when the leaf is not waterproof like this? You see me? It's wet.
Machu Picchu town! We're nearly there. Just arriving literally after our trek into Machu Picchu town at the same time as the train. So it is 4 in the morning. I am in the queue for the bus. We are headed to Machu Picchu. We're gonna get there at 5:30 a.m. The sun is rising and we're really hoping for clear skies. But it's a very early start for Machu Picchu. You get up at 4. We had to queue for the bus tickets yesterday. You can hike up, but they recommend that you don't because you actually have a huge hike once you're up there. And we were hiking yesterday and mountain biking and whitewater rafting the day before. We also just picked up a coffee because every place opens at 4 a.m. From this amazing little boulangerie. Finishing that up right now. This is it. This is the day. We're going to Machu Picchu. I cannot wait. I'm buzzing just from the excitement, even though I'm a little bit tired. I cannot wait to actually be at Machu Picchu. Even just standing here so close to the mountain, it's just so immense and captivating. Okay guys, let's do this. Here it is, Machu Picchu. I'm gonna give you lots of good close-up shots, but it's absolutely beautiful. And we got really, really, really good weather. Those are the guys in my group there chatting, but it's just stunning. We got such good weather. No rain. The clouds are kind of misty, but you can see that there's like pockets of sun coming in as well. It's spectacular here.
Other name for this place, Machu Picchu, Old Mountain. Other name, Machu Picchu, Old Penis. Other name, Machu Picchu. Other name, Mapi.
So I've made it to the top. I actually made it to the top of Machu Picchu. I cannot believe it with my fear of heights. I somehow made it thanks to some help from Oleg, who's here with me.
Hi Mom.
He's looking forward to being YouTube famous. Anyway, yeah, so we've made it here. Sadly, because of my fear of heights, I'm not too bothered about going and getting a photo with the famous sign, but that's okay. The biggest deed was actually getting here, so I'm so pleased it's done, and yeah, now we just need to make it all the way back down. Okay guys, we're done. We did it. We came all the way back down, and I am taking in the Machu Picchu view for one last time. I feel pretty accomplished. We made it back down in about an hour. I think that's me over and out Machu Picchu. It's done. We've done it. Highly recommend it. It's pretty incredible. Signing off.